You want to start digital products, you want to make passive income every day with digital products while you are sleeping, while you are eating, while you are watching Netflix, no matter what you're doing. You want to have this extra cash without having an inventory, without having to trade your time for money. You are at the right place. I've made more than 250K with digital products, and today I'm going to teach you exactly how to start digital products if you are a total beginner and what are the easiest digital products to start with. But first things first, what are digital products? Digital products are digital files people can access to from their phone or from their laptop or from their desktop, and they are giving some type of information or some type of help to accelerate some kind of processes. It can be ebooks, it can be planner, it can be digital art, it can be templates, it can be printables. There are so many ways of creating digital products, and it is an ongoing market. In fact, in 2030, the digital product market is set to grow to $850 billion. So this is how big it can get. And there are so many people starting and getting serious about digital products because everyone knows that life is online right now. With social media, with digital marketing, with everything happening, you absolutely know that money is inside digital products. And if you want your part of the cake, well, you may want to watch this video because I'm going to tell you exactly what are the 5 easiest digital products to create, how to do it, and how to market them in a way that will feel so easy that you would have regretted to not start earlier. There are 2 types of digital products. You have educational digital products, courses, ebook, masterclass, bundles, etc. And you have low content digital product, which can be templates, printable, digital art, and so on. We want to focus on low content digital products because you don't have to think about what you're going to put inside the digital product. It will take you less time to create and it's going to be more straightforward. The only downside of low content digital products is easy to create. A lot of people are actually creating low content digital products. So you will have more competition, but that's totally fine because if you make it really pretty and really nice, you will be able to stand out. But I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. Number 1, digital art. This is perfect if you love being a bit creative. You don't have to, but it's perfect if you are. Digital art is a piece of art people can actually print from home, whether it's wall art or whether it's poster cards or whatever you have in mind. You are creating the art and they dispose from it and they do whatever they want with it. The best way of creating digital art is either 1, you go through ChatGPT, you put a prompt, I want a cat with a Santa Claus hat. You get this picture from ChatGPT, from AI, you download it and you upload it so people can dispose of it and they can use it as a frame, as a poster card, etc. Or second option, you go through Pinterest, you check all the minimal arts you can see and you see what are the most popular. Once you found the most popular, you go on Canva and you create your own. You create something that is similar, not exactly the same because there are some copyrights out there. You don't use exactly the same content than on Canva or on a Pinterest digital art piece. You need to be original, but you can get inspired of the style of the content and then you create your own on Canva. If you don't know how to use Canva, I would highly recommend you to check some Canva tutorials so you can get started and actually learn how to play around with Canva. This is going to be an invaluable skill to have when you are creating digital products and want to sell your digital products. Now, what kind of digital art is doing really well at the moment? You have all this bold, minimal digital art because it's doing really well for wall art, for example. But what is doing even better is all these quotes and all these words that people can display in their room, in their office, in their kids' room. If you want to create this kind of art, it's gonna maybe be easier for you if you're not really creative, but it's up to you to choose. Make sure when you finish your digital art on Canva, you are saving it as a JPEG or a PNG in order for people to be able to access it in the best quality. Make sure also the format is around A4, A3 in order to have the best quality when people actually print it. Number 2, planners. A lot of people are using planners online on their desktop, on their laptop, on their tablet in order to get organized. You can actually create a planner pretty quickly if you are actually a planner lover, you will go through a physical planner and check what kind of format you like, what kind of pages you like, and you can reproduce this kind of format and pages for people who actually want to use it online. You can go on Canva, you type digital planner templates, and you will have different pages that you can put together in the same document. I would always advise you to have your own colors, your own branding. You change, you edit, you make it yours, you change the branding, and then you do this in different colors, in different formats, so you can have a range of beautiful digital planner people can actually purchase and use all the time. So you can have like a fitness digital planner, a budget digital planner, a daily live digital planner. You can have so many different digital planners, and I would always advise you to check on Etsy what kind of digital planners are performing really well. So like this, you can start creating similar theme of digital planners and sell them as yours. If you're a bit more creative, I would definitely tell you to create some coloring sheets or coloring book. You can use Procreate and you can draw different designs around Christmas, around Diwali, around Eid, whatever you have in mind, where occasions and events where people are actually buying these kind of things, or for their kids with specific themes, mermaids, pirates, etc. Once you have these coloring sheets all together on Procreate, you can download them as a PDF and make a big bundle of, let's say, 50 or 100 coloring sheets, and people can actually purchase them. And it's doing really well because there is always moments when kids want to create new coloring books and the parents, they don't have time to go look on the internet on different types, etc. So they'd rather go buy a big bundle of coloring sheets, print them all together and give it to their kids on a specific theme. It's really well also for kids' birthday, also for special occasion, like big businesses are doing some specific events for Christmas, etc. They could have these coloring sheets hanging around. These are a very good way also to make a very simple low content digital product if you love drawing, and you can get inspiration on Pinterest if you really don't know where to start. Number 4 is template. Templates are actually really good because it can be implemented in any kind of niches. But if you are planning to sell templates, I would definitely recommend you to stay in a specific niche, which means on a specific theme. Let's say you want to focus on weddings or on birthday or baby showers. I would not mix everything because it's going to be very difficult to reach the right target audience. So let's say you want to do templates for weddings. You can have a wedding menu templates you create on Canva. You have plenty of examples on Canva you can check here. Or you can create wedding invitations, table placements. You have so many options. What I would actually advise you is to do one specific theme, a bundle of different templates going all together for weddings, for example, wedding invitation, wedding menu, table placement, etc., in a specific color theme. Then you do exactly the same, but in a different color themes with different designs. When people come into your online shop, they have different options of specific wedding bundles they can actually buy for their weddings depending on the aesthetic they choose. You can do this for weddings, you can do this for baby showers, you can do this for different celebration. You can also do CV templates, you can do invoice templates, you can do social media kit templates, you can do business bundle templates. You can do templates on pretty much everything you can have in mind. If you are interested to do that, templates are doing really well. It's so versatile. You can use it in so many different ways and you can create them on Canva. You have so many different products you can start from on Canva, but remember, you never copy the templates of someone because this could be a problem for you with copyright issue. And the same for Canva, you can't copy exactly what is done on Canva. You need to modify it, you need to edit it, but it's a very good base to start with if you don't have much design skills and you want to get started quite quickly with templates. The fifth and the last one are trackers, and if you are really good at Excel, you're going to love this one. You can create trackers for pretty much everything. You have fitness trackers, you have nutrition tracker, you have business one, budget one, you name it, you have it. And if you are lacking of inspiration, you can always check on Etsy what are the most sold trackers so you can start creating your own. The good thing with trackers is you can just create them on Excel sheet and that's pretty much it. It can be good to go. You have a link and you can start selling. Trackers are really good and it's different than using Canva. If you don't use Canva, trackers are going to be the solution for you. They're priced really well and they can be sold in really good quantity if you target the right niche. I would definitely advise you to start with that too. As I just mentioned, you have so many ways to create digital products. You can create them on Canva, you can create them with ChatGPT, you can create them on PowerPoint, on Excel, on Google Docs. You can do it your own way, but the most popular is obviously to create them on Canva, because you will have so much more possibilities in terms of design, in terms of creation, and you can also share template links on Canva. But if you want to know exactly how to create one of the specific digital products I just talked about, please comment. So like this, I can create a full tutorial on each digital product you can or you want to create. I make it so much easier for you. Now, where to sell your digital products? I usually prefer to sell digital products through social media and hosting them on a hosting platform such as System.io or StanStore, because you make 100% of the sale. However, when you are just beginning and you don't have an audience, this can be tricky and can take quite a while before to grow a big audience and start generating really good money out of your digital products. The easiest way for you to start marketing your digital products will be on a third-party platform such as Etsy or Amazon KDP. I would recommend Etsy because it's more known for digital products and you can have a big variety of digital products in there. How you can do that? You can create a free Etsy account and start selling onto it. You can create your own listings and you need to create some visual of your digital product. Make sure it is quite appealing and attractive, and I can also drop a tutorial on this if you want to create your first Etsy listing with digital products. I can show you exactly how to do that. Just drop Etsy and I will create a full tutorial video on this if you are interested. But the most important is you can start listing your own digital products on Etsy. Etsy works very differently than social media or any hosting platform. What you need to do is to list quite often if you want to generate traffic on your Etsy store. Otherwise, you will feel quite disappointed because you will not see any traction. What I would recommend in order to stand out at the beginning is to price your digital products a little bit less than the competition. When you start to get more sales, when you start to make some money, you can then raise the price. If you want to stand out, you will have difficulty to stand out against people who already have 5-star rating on their shop or thousands and thousands of orders. And if you want to stand out, the best way of doing this is going to put your price a little bit lower than the competition, and to have beautiful designs like this, you can start getting more sales. Visuals and design are going to be really important if you want to stand out on Etsy, because so many people are already creating low content digital product on this platform. If you want to make sure your digital products are getting picked by the Etsy algorithm and are getting shown to the right target audience, you really want to use the right keywords related to your digital product. So like this, you are standing out visually or even in the algorithm. But please bear in mind that when starting digital products, at least you put consistent work for the next 2 or 3 weeks, you will not see the results you want. You actually need to upload digital products, you need to create them and to list them on Etsy regularly in order to see the results you want. You may not make £100 a day from the moment you are uploading your digital products. It may take 1 or 2 weeks before to pick up. Once you have 20 to 30 digital products in your store, you can slow down and you can just upload digital products here and there until you get much more sales. Even if the result of digital products is passive income, it still doesn't require some active work before to see the actual results. But this being said, it is totally possible for you to reach 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 plus per month with your digital products on Etsy. And if at some point you want to scale and to start creating your own social media audience to sell your digital products and make 100% of the profit, I drop in the description several resources for you to get started and to create educational digital products in any kind of niche to scale over 100K a year with digital products. I really hope you enjoyed this video and this has been super helpful. You can make sure to subscribe to my channel to get more tips on how to create your digital product and grow your digital products and passive income in the future. And I'm so happy to have you here. Please drop a like and see you later.